Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to solve question number 11 of exercise 2.2 chapter 2. So without wasting time, let us start. Question number 11 says, Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. Students, they have told us Bharat's father. Many students, they must be having, instead of Bharat, it must be having Baichung. It must be older textbook. So don't worry, it is just a name. So it says Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather. So that means Bharat's grandfather will be 26 years older than Bharat's father, right? And 29 years older than Bharat. Whatever the age of Bharat will be, his father will be 29 years older than him, than Bharat. Now what is next? The sum of their ages of all the three is 135 years. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. That means if we calculate Bharat's father age plus Bharat's grandfather age plus Bharat's age, we will get 135 years as total. What is the age of each one of them? We have to find ages of Bharat, Bharat's father and Bharat's grandfather. So let us try and write down the ages of all these three people in terms of x. So let me start with Bharat's age. Let the Bharat's age be x years. We have got Bharat's age. Now I want to find Bharat's father age. Is equal to, what will be Bharat's father age? They have told us Bharat's father age is, that means he is 29 years older. 29 year older means more than whom? Bharat. Bharat we have supposed as x. And Bharat's grandfather's age is equal to whatever the age of Bharat's father plus 26 years, we will get Bharat's grandfather's age. So if I calculate it further, it will become x is equal to 29 plus 6 is 35 plus 20 is 55. So we have got the ages of Bharat, Bharat's father, Bharat's grandfather. Now what they told? The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. So I will write, therefore, according to question, sum of ages of Bharat, what is Bharat's age? X. Bharat's father age, x plus 29. And Bharat's grandfather's age is x plus 55. If we sum up, it will get 135 as answer. So let us solve it. Let us first open the bracket, x plus 29 plus x plus 55 is equal to 135. X plus x will give me 3x plus 55 plus 29. 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 50 is 84 is equal to 135. Therefore 3x is equal to 135 I will take 84 to that side, it will become minus 84. Therefore 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. 135 minus 4 is 131, and 80 minus 80 will give me 51. Therefore therefore x is equal to 51. These 3 which is in multiplication, it will come in division. 51 I can write 17 3s are 51, divide by 3. 3 will cancel out. Therefore I will get x is equal to 17. Yet answer didn't arrive, we didn't arrive to answer. So we will put this x in all of them. Therefore Bharat's age is equal to 17 years. Bharat's father age is equal to x plus 29 it was. So I will write 17 plus 29, and it will give me 29 plus 7 is 36. 36 plus 10 is 46. And Bharat's grandfather age is equal to x plus 55. That means 17 plus 55. 55 plus 7 is 62. 62 plus 10 is 72. So we have got their ages. Now let us sum up and see if we can get 135 as total. I am doing it as a rough to show you the calculation. 17 plus 46 plus 72. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 2 is 15. 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13. So the question we solved is right. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more. We will meet with the new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.